Hi guys and welcome to today's video. Today I am unboxing the L'Occitane advent calendar. This is an advent calendar I unbox every year. I love L'Occitane and I'm always very excited to see what's inside the advent calendar. This year I'm unboxing their classic advent calendar, which is £53, but they also have a luxury advent calendar which is £99 and then a reusable advent calendar which is £160. Before we get started with the unboxing, I just wanted to mention that I have loads of unboxings already done. I'm going to link them all down below, or do check out my channel and they'll all be there. This calendar is their classic, as I mentioned, and it's worth £87. If you guys have watched a few of my advent calendar videos already, you will know I'm not wild about advent calendars with doors, but this one does have doors. I understand why. This is one of the more affordable advent calendars I have unboxed. This is only £53, which I understand some might think is a bit expensive for an advent calendar, but as far as beauty advent calendars go, this is definitely one of the cheapest ones available, especially from still quite a luxury beautiful brand like L'Occitane. The inside looks like this. I do quite like the fact that the front is a little bit smaller. I have to say this is the best smelling advent calendar L'Occitane have ever had. It smells incredible. But let's get started with the unboxing. Print is very nice, but the numbers aren't very easy to see, and it also looks like there's no doors just here, which is a bit unusual. I don't know if you can tell. I'm going to spin this round. On this kind of half, there's no doors. Oh, I just accidentally popped open a door. Okay, let's start with door one once I find it. This might take me a while. Oh, here we go. Okay, door number one. This is the L'Occitane Ultra Rich Lip Balm. This is a 4ml, so quite small, but it's a lip balm. You don't really need that much and perfect for your handbag, which is very cute. Inside, I guess it doesn't really look that luxe, but it looks quite recyclable, which is good. On to number two. This is the Ultra Rich Body Cream. This is a 20ml. Again, quite a nice size, really great to travel with or just to try out the product. I think you'd get quite a few uses out of that actually. I don't want to close these doors because they're so hard to find that I think that if I close them, it's going to make my life harder, and at least that way I know that that's not the one that I'm going to open. So it's starting to look like this with the two doors open. My issue is that I do find that the doors start to look very messy very quickly. Onto the third door. This is what I like to see. I love L'Occitane hand creams. I've actually misplaced the one I was using. No idea how. So very excited to receive another one. This is the L'Occitane Dry Skin Hand Cream. I think this is just their standard shea butter one. This is a 10ml. I've had these before in previous advent calendars. The best size for your handbag and just one of my favourite hand creams as well, so that's great. I might regret this since I still have to open doors, but I was dying for some L'Occitane hand cream. I really searched my whole house yesterday and I don't know what I've done with mine. On to number four, and we have our first real bit of skincare. This is the L'Occitane Ultra Thirst Quenching Cream, 5ml. Quite small. I am hoping we get a few that are slightly bigger, but I understand that this is obviously their more affordable advent calendar, so I am expecting to see largely smaller items. This is worth £83, so at least we know that we are getting a little bit of value for our money, even if the items are a little bit on the smaller side. On to door number five, we have another hand cream. I'm expecting to see quite a lot of hand creams in here, if I'm completely honest. I think quite often the hand creams I end up using throughout the year are from my L'Occitane advent calendar. This is the Cherry Blossom hand cream. This is again a 10ml, nice handbag size and really great hand cream. On to door number six. This is a cooling hand cream. Never tried this, but again it's a 10ml. Definitely gonna give that a go. I think this year more than ever we need hand creams anyway, so you know, give me all the hand creams, I will use them for sure. Number eight. This is a product I don't think I've ever seen. This is the SOS Lumiere Shine Lustrous Hair Mask. Never used this. I do have actually the L'Occitane hair range. It's in my bathroom. I haven't started using it yet, but I'm very excited to do so. I actually think I've forgotten about it a little bit, but I'm going to put this in my shower and start using this next because it's 20ml, so I probably got, I mean, I'm quite heavy with my hair mask. I probably have 2 or 3 uses out of this. Definitely going to give it a go. L'Occitane is a brand that I think is great at delivering hydration, so I'm really looking forward to using this. Not overly scented, but it's got 5 essential oils and it's going straight in my bathroom. I'm going to put this aside so that I know to put it straight in there. Number 8 is just here, and we have a little bar of soap. Again, 2020 essential, so happy to see this in here. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out, but a nice product nonetheless. On to number 9. This is Verbena Shower Gel. I've had these before. This is a 30ml good size. It's kind of the sort of product you receive, and I'm pretty sure I have received at hotels, but again, good size, great trial size to see if you love the product and would like to buy a full size. On to number 10. This is a intensive hand balm for very dry skin. It's a 25% shea butter compared to the original, which is 20% shea butter. I mean, it's only a 5% increase. Doesn't seem that big. Definitely going to save this more into the winter because I'm expecting my hands to get drier because washing your hands so much, and my hands just get dry in the winter anyway. This again is a 10ml. So far we're up to 4 hand creams. On to 11, and this is a foot cream. Happy to see a foot cream in here because I think it's nice to have a bit of variety and not just hand creams. I know foot cream, hand cream, kind of similar. You could use your foot cream on your hands and vice versa, although sometimes foot creams do kind of have a slightly different scent. It's usually like a fresher scent, but honestly this isn't a very strong scent. The one thing I would say is that this is 15% shea, and I would expect a foot cream to be a little bit heavier, and this seems to be a little bit lighter than the hand creams, which is a bit surprising. Nonetheless, I will give that a go. I do think that 10ml for your feet probably isn't going to last that long because I think your feet are a little bit larger than your hands. On to 12, we have another hand cream. This is one of my favourite scents. This is from the Almond range. Is that what it's called? I'm unsure, but really like this range, and this is again another 10ml. 13 is a shampooing conditioner. No, it's not. It's a conditioner. In France they call a conditioner après shampooing, like a post shampoo, which I find weird. Now the one thing I'm going to say, there's been no shampoo in here, so why do we have a conditioner? There might be a shampoo in here, but I think it's weird that the conditioner came out first before the shampoo. But this is a 35ml. Probably got a handful of uses out of that. Hoping the shampoo comes up though. I will be disappointed if it doesn't. 14, I mean it could be in here. Part of their Immortelle range, which in my opinion is one of their best ranges. This is the Precious Cream, and it's a 5ml. It is small, but this range is a little bit more expensive for them. So still very happy to see it because again, it is a more luxury L'Occitane range. 15, this might be the shampoo. This is the shampoo. I really think that the shampoo should come out first and then the conditioner. Maybe they release the conditioner first so that you know that shampoo is coming and you don't just start using the shampoo by itself. I'm unsure. I'm glad to see that there are both items in here, but I think it makes sense for the shampoo to come out first and the conditioner to come out the day after, because otherwise I think you run the risk of someone using the one that came out first by itself. On to 16. Really happy to see this product in here. This again is from their Almond range. I think it's called Amand range. I'm not sure. This is their shower oil, real cult classic from L'Occitane. I feel like this and their hand creams is what they're most known for. And I think their Immortelle range. Love this. This is a 35ml. This is one of the biggest samples we've seen in here, and I'm really happy to see this in here as a big size because it's a great product. On to 17, again from their Almond range, a body cream, again a 35ml. Great size. I'm really happy that we're kind of getting slightly bigger the more we get into this advent calendar. If you're going to cream your whole body, you're probably going to use almost the whole of this maybe in like 2 goes, but it's a great product and I'm really happy to see it in here, and they have given you that little bit more. On to 18. This is another hair mask. Really excited about the hair mask, so it's going right next to that one and straight into the bathroom. This is a gel cream hair mask. It's for dry hair and scalp. Now I don't really have dry scalp, I actually have quite an oily scalp, so I'm unsure if this is really for my sort of hair. Gonna give it a go. Again, this is a 20ml, so I'll probably get at least a few uses out of this. It's blue, that's not what I expected. Gonna give it a go and I will report back with my thoughts. 19, this is our 6th hand cream. This is the rose one. Again, another 10ml. I haven't tried their rose one, so can't really comment too much on that, but again, nice size. Happy to see it, but there's a lot of hand creams. Into the 20s, another bar of soap. Really sweet one. It's a leaf print. We'll definitely use that. I feel like this whole advent calendar has been quite unisex. This is kind of keeping on with the same sort of theme. Nothing here has been like overly girly or overly manly. It's a good one that kind of a couple could share, or you could buy for a couple, or even for like housemates that they can keep in the house. They could share the shampoo and conditioner. They could each have a couple of hand creams, which definitely makes this calendar stand out. 21 is a light comforting cream. This has 5% shea. I've actually used this cream before. It's quite a light. I feel like the word generic sounds a bit negative, but that's not what I mean. I mean it's like very soft, very easy to use. It's not too harsh and almost anyone could use it, so great to see this in here. Again, it's a 5ml, so we're back to slightly smaller sizes. It does seem that the skincare is largely the 5ml size inside here. 22, a micellar shampoo. This is Gentle and Balanced. I really like the sound of this. This is exactly the sort of shampoo I need. Wait, I'm pretty sure I've tried this shampoo, but I feel like they've got a new range, which is the shampoo and conditioner I haven't tried. But I also haven't tried this one, which is the micellar shampoo. Definitely gonna give this a go, because what I need is a balancing product, because I do have quite oily roots and then quite dry ends. Again, I think that's just because I have colour in my hair. Definitely gonna give this a go. Really hoping that the next product to come out is going to be the conditioner. 23 is another hand cream. I have never seen this hand cream before. It is very cute. It's probably my favourite of their packaging. It's bright orange. This is a 20% shea butter honey harvest. This sounds very nice. Oh, I really like that. I wonder if this might be like an exclusive to this calendar or something, because I've never seen this. I'm definitely going to use that. Again, it's a 10ml and we're up to 7 hand creams and 1 foot cream. So quite a lot. And then finally we have door 24. So this is a 24 door calendar, not a 25 door. Usually 24 is the best. So let's see what's in here. All the doors are the same size, so I'm not expecting like a full size product or anything like that. Yep, they save the best to last. This is the L'Occitane Immortelle Reset Serum. Love this, real cult product. I've had a whole bottle which I finished. I'm on to my second bottle, and I've never seen this in an advent calendar. I think potentially because it's quite a new product. This is a 5ml, reasonably small, but you don't need a lot of product, and it is one of their more expensive products, and I believe it's probably the most expensive product in this calendar, which is why it's a 5ml and not a 30ml. The full size might be close to 30ml. I like the packaging as well. They've not just put it in like a squeezy packaging or something like that, probably because they couldn't. It's probably still glass, if I'm honest, and it comes with a pump, and I think actually it's still a very luxury looking product despite it being mini. Now my issue is, why have they left such a big piece of the calendar with nothing in it? Seems a bit strange. Again, the reason I don't like advent calendars with doors is because I think they start to look very messy once they're open, or once they're nearing the end of being opened. They don't really fold. They're kind of a bit of a faff, and they don't really have such a luxury feeling. But that said, I do understand that this is far more recyclable than the thicker boxes, and the cardboard is 100% recyclable, to the point that even the inside is, which I think is great. I haven't seen this year any plastic trays in advent calendars, but I'm very glad that this one isn't plastic. It is cardboard, which is great, and I think L'Occitane generally is a really great brand in terms of sustainability, because you can recycle all your products there. There's a bit of an issue with advent calendars because yes, everything is mini, but you can take all your products to L'Occitane to get them recycled there, which is great. And if you haven't, please do. It's really, really easy, especially if you live near a L'Occitane store. You walk in, you drop off your products, and that's the end. I think you might even get a small percentage off some products, but don't hold me to that. Overall, I think this was a slightly repetitive advent calendar. I think it's great if you want hand creams. If you don't want hand creams, this is 100% not the advent calendar for you. You can definitely tell that it's not their luxury calendar, and I think if you want a wider range of products, or especially if you want more skincare, I would go for their luxury one, because this one does have a lot of typically filler products, so stuff like hand creams, little soaps. When it comes to skincare, it only really has 3 skincare products, which I think is typically the more expensive product. Yes, it has a few hair care products. It has a lip balm, which I'm personally very excited about. It's not the most exciting calendar, if I'm completely honest, but it's a great brand. And if you love L'Occitane, or you know someone that loves L'Occitane, or you're looking for a calendar that's for like 2 people to share, I actually think this one's really, really nice, because it's quite a homey calendar. There are no real home products apart from the bars of soap, but there's definitely a lot of product that people could share. To be honest, I am terribly excited about this hand cream. This hand cream is going straight in my handbag, and these 2 products are going straight in my bathroom. But that's the end of this video. Do like it if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and let me know which other advent calendars you'd like me to unbox, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.